Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with that frustrating, unexpected error occurred message in Instagram Insights, especially with the 2025 updates, you're in the right place. This error can pop up due to app glitches, network issues, or even temporary server problems, but don't worry. I'll guide you through simple, step-by-step fixes that should get you back on track in no time. Let's dive in. First things first, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable or switch to mobile data if needed. A spotty connection is often the culprit behind these errors. Once that's sorted, head to your App Store, whether it's Google Play or the Apple App Store, and update Instagram to the latest version. Developers release patches all the time, especially in 2025, to fix bugs like this one. Next, clear your app's cache to remove any corrupted data. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, Clear Cache. For iPhone users, try offloading the app and reinstalling it. This fresh start can work wonders. Now, log out of your Instagram account completely and then log back in. Sometimes, a simple session refresh resolves the issue without any hassle. If the error persists, visit Instagram's Help Center on their website. Search for known issues related to Insights in 2025. They might have specific troubleshooting tips or confirm if it's a widespread problem. As a last resort, reach out to Instagram support directly through the app or their support page. Provide details about the error for faster assistance. There you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the unexpected error and get back to analyzing your Instagram data. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.